Why is your portfolio not giving 25% and 30% CAGR, which you expected and saw at the time of investment? Why is the portfolio not performing as expected? Many people have been investing in mutual fund for past 5, 10, 15 years. But if you ask them one simple question, why exactly are you investing in this fund? Why did you selected this fund? Most people don't have a real answer. And that is the real problem. People think investing means starting SIP, buying top performing funds by looking the past performance of the 3-year CAGR, 5-year CAGR, and staying invested for long term. But wealth creation is not just about investing, it's about structure. Most portfolios look like this: 5 mutual funds, random SIPs, overlap everywhere. Like investing in small cap also, then investing in multi cap also, then investing in Nifty also, and they are not looking how they are overlapping into the funds and investing in sector funds, going concentrated in single market, and no allocation strategy. Basically, organized confusion. We analyze hundreds of portfolios and one thing become obvious. Most investors are underperforming because not because of markets are red or market is falling. They are underperforming because their portfolio have no architecture. Multiple mistakes are done by investors. Mistake number one is most investors buy funds after they outperform. Simple example: small cap rally, everyone buys small cap. US rally, they invest in US market. Then gold rally, then they start investing in gold. If you observe in the past 3 to 4 months, if anyone have you have invested in gold or silver funds, you are now either break even or you are in minus. You are in a negative returns. Same happened if you have invested after September 2024 in mid cap or small cap or micro cap, then your fund is underperforming from past 2 years. And what you saw at that time of investing was 3-year CAGR, 5-year CAGR, or the past year return, which was near 30%, near 40%, near 25%, 20% CAGR. Now, mistake number two, which most people do, is no asset allocation. Most people think diversification means owning a mutual fund, doing SIP in small cap, doing SIP in micro cap, doing SIP in multi cap, doing SIP in Nifty, in gold. Then they think they have done the asset allocation and they are diversified, which is completely wrong. Real diversification means different asset behavior, different economic cycles, and different risk profile, and no correlation or either zero or near to negative no correlation in the funds which are selected. Can use a simple analogy here. If your if all your investments are falling together, you are never diversified. You are concentrated. Now, when Trump says something, or US Iran war happen, or Israel Iran war happen, whatever happens outside India, and Indian market falls, or something happens in India and Indian market falls, and your portfolio is also falling, that means you are not diversified. You are invested in a concentrated market, either in only in India, or either only in a specific sector or specific funds or specific Nifty factor funds like small cap or mid cap, micro cap. Your investment is not diversified, but it is concentrated. But three most people do is no goal mapping. Just started investing SIP. So invest to actually achieve some goal or get some wealth creation, get the wealth creation done. But they do investment just to tell people that yes, I have started my SIP. Now I will be financially free. Okay, financially free. I am smart. I am intelligent. Okay, don't teach me what to do with my money. So basically, they start their investing, and what they do is go to the app and start doing the SIP of random amount. They start with 5,000, 2,000, 1,000, and monthly SIP they start in any fund they feel like, quant fund or whatever fund they select, or they hear in YouTube, or from the advisor, and they start investing in that. People invest first and decide goals later. Backward. Goals should be decided first. Then the risk, timeline, allocation strategy in this goal decision should be made. At Pure Wealth, we don't start with which fund or which asset is better, which fund is outperforming, which has given the past highest performance return. We don't start with that. We start with what is this money supposed to achieve. The biggest benefit A proper investing, a structured investing framework is not just returns, it's peace of mind. When market falls, you still know why you own that fund and what you own. If you already have a mutual fund but are unsure whether your portfolio is actually structured properly, we are offering portfolio clarity session where we help investors identify gaps, overlaps and allocation issues. This session is completely free for 25 minutes. You can book the call. Happy investing.